Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sudden attack 0 point game not launching or not opening error on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first thing you have to do is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So simply click on it and wait for some time. It may take some time. So after the game files are verified, now you have to check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here you have to search for the game exe file, select it, right click on it, click on properties. After that, click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, this time select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and now launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. After the website opens, you can simply download now from here, or you simply open the website and click on the download now option. This will download your graphics card, or you can enter manually about your graphics card details, download it and update your graphics card, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next is to check for Windows updates. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for check for updates. So click on check for updates option. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is available for your Windows. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for Windows security. So search for Windows security, open it. Firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. So the game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. After that, you have to click on browse and then go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So from here you have to select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, you have to select it and after that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and after doing this, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for view advanced system settings. View advanced system settings, open it. Here you have to click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size and the initial size you have to type 12288 and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After you have done this, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to lower graphics settings of the game. So most of the time the graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc. So You have to lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After doing this, close this. Next, go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Here you have to click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. After that click on OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. But later on come back again and make sure to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to close background apps. So if there is any background apps running, then you should close this. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You have to select it, and after selecting it, right click on it and then click on enter task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. So once the file is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it. After that you have to click on yes and wait for some time. Once this is finished, close this. After that you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that you have to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So after your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall sudden attack 0 point game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.